I want to show you a problem I've been having for years on this truck. I should have made a video about it, but I never thought of it. I just went and had my check engine light checked, and it came up with code P0401 EGR system insufficient flow detected, and it says your most likely fix is to replace the EGR valve pressure sensor, which is this right here. But upon further investigation of my vacuum lines, look at this. See that? Oh, it doesn't want to focus. See that? That's ridiculous. These rubber elbows that I have to use for this truck, they suck. They're poor quality. They always do that. So you got a split there. No wonder. It sends vacuum to open the EGR valve, but it won't open because there's no vacuum. Show you what I did here. On the fuel pressure regulator, this thing breaks right away, so what I have to do is put this E6000 glue all over it to make it last longer. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to put a new one on here, get rid of this, and then cover it with the glue. Put the glue on there, and then you're going to rub it around with your finger. You can wear a glove if you don't want to get the glue on your finger. Should have actually installed it on the EGR valve before I did that. It's just pathetic how cheap they make these materials. It doesn't last. It's actually the first time I've seen it split on the EGR valve. Usually it splits all the time on the fuel pressure regulator. That's a crazy setup that Ford did here in this truck. They have this solenoid here, solenoid valve, which the computer actually controls. It opens this up and it lets vacuum go to the EGR to actually open and close it. Cuts off the vacuum, then it closes. Then this sensor here, the EGR gases, the exhaust gases run through it and go back down into the pipe. That's why this wasn't detecting flow. I can't believe it said the sensor was bad. I doubt that this sensor is bad, because that was the issue up there. This stupid thing split, so there was no vacuum. This is terrible how cheap they make things. If any of you that are watching the video know where I can get these elbows that are better quality, then please let me know. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.